Hi, I'm Peter Spier. I'm in charge of the International Marketing Business Development MSc down here in Sophia. When you're choosing a program, two things matter. What you learn, but also how you learn. I'm very much a believer in active learning, hands-on. And an awful lot of what we do here is precisely that, hands-on. Hands-on in things like Lego Serious Play. I do an elective where students get together for a couple of days and play with Lego. Why, you ask yourselves? Well, you'll have to come and try it out here. But also hands-on in other things, such as learning how to do things like Photoshop, learning how to use Salesforce.com for CRM. Now that's hands-on with tools, hands-on with stuff you can use. Life's messy, business too. And one of the big questions, of course, is going to be how do you get the messiness of business into the classroom? Traditionally, we use case studies, but there's a limit to that. So what do? We get out. We get about, we work with people, we talk to people, and we try to integrate that into all of the different courses that we do. For example, you've got a new business development project where you'll be looking for a new business idea. First law, get out, talk to people, see what they think about it, etc., etc. And when you pitch, we'll actually bring in people from businesses, local businesses, to see whether they think what you're doing makes sense. You're doing market research, a wonderful opportunity there to work with local companies. And so, for example, in the marketing research course, we've been working here in Sophia with a local company in Gallimard, in the perfume industry, working on a piece of research for them. Life is messy. Business is messy, and they're not easy either. And there's nothing like a challenge to raise the ante, to actually put you in a situation where you can feel the stress. And that's why we really encourage students to take part in challenges. That might be a challenge already organized by a company. There are several there I can think of. Auchan, L'Oréal, Amazon. Group of our students won the Amazon challenge just last year. But we also organize our own challenges internally, and one of those that's become iconic for the program is the sales challenge that we organize every year. About 6-7 companies come in, introduce themselves, talk about sales and business development in their companies, and then the second day, that's when the ante goes up. The students have to sell to one of those companies. Stressful, yes, but a fantastic way to learn and a fantastic way to discover sales.